Transcript. I'd like to turn now to the object which is the main point of this talk, the helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of our life. Movement. The natural world, the manufactured world, and our kinetic make-up are all connected to the shape of the helix. A helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of a spiral, like a corkscrew or a spiral staircase. The helix is a very popular shape in nature because it is very compact. In fact, helices are sometimes referred to as nature's space saver. In architecture, too, the helix shape of a spiral staircase in an attractive opinion in building where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably to the helix of DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve around each other, a bit like a twisted ladder. DNA contains the genetic information or code that determines the development and functioning all of now living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in the limited space of a cell. There are different types of helices. Helices can twist clockwise, right-handed, or anti-clockwise. Left-handed. An interesting experiment is to hold a clockwise helix, such as a corkscrew, up to mirror the clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of the helix in many areas of our world: spiral staircase, cables, screws, and ropers can be right-handed or left-handed helices. A helix that goes around a cone is called a conical helix. Examples of the conical helices are screws or the famous spiral ram designed by the artist Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helices are also prevalent in the natural world. The horns of certain animals, viruses, seashells, and the structure of plants. Flower its leaf can contain helices. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix. With the discovery that the helix is the shape of the DNA molecule, it's not surprising that the helix is found so many areas. It's the one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention how to mathematical description of the helix. You'll need a pen and paper for the text part of the talk, as I'm going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference.